is how we get a 100% completely automated LinkedIn outreach system that writes a personalized message as well based on the person's profile. So what the messages actually look like here is we have everything from, hey, Gordon, your CFO leadership, so on and so forth. Every single message, as you can see here, is 100% personalized. And the way that this works is that we have a Google Sheets that we have a bunch of URLs. So as you can see, it looks like this. And then we're able to go ahead and grab all of the information from their profile, also grab their email, and then be able to craft a super duper hyper personalized message, as you can see inside of here. And the way that that works is, again, we grab the email from here, and then inside of the profile extractor, we use all that information, such as their description, where they're working at, and then craft a very hyper personalized message just using ChatGPT. And then we put it inside of this Google Sheets back inside of here. So then we're able to send off a hyper personalized connection with message here. And we use that just using Phantom Buster. And as you can see, there's a dynamic variable that actually extracts this information here. And then going off of the LinkedIn URL, that's where we're able to send off that connection there. And then lastly, the way that we're able to get even further after the connection is that we're able to craft all of the content, the recent LinkedIn posts, every single message that's getting sent out there to be super personalized. Because let's just say your past 10 LinkedIn connections are all lawyers. We obviously want to craft content that's specifically to lawyers or maybe to realtors or whatever your industry is. The way that we do that is we are able to get all of the LinkedIn connections, so the most recent ones, and then we send that off into a Google Sheets and we extract all the information. And then based off all of this information, we're able to figure out and analyze, hey, who is the main demographic that recently had the connections? And excuse me. And then after that, we're able to craft the super personalized social media post all across the board there. So yeah, with this entire automation, with this entire system, there really isn't any more back and forth with a lot of finding what's on their profile, manually doing outreach, and even manually doing LinkedIn posts as well too. This system is 100% automated. So if you want to get to know a little bit more information about this, please reach out, send me a message, and to your success.